Mom, you and I share a special heart-to-heart connection. Yes, heart-to-heart connection. We have a heart-to-heart connection. Is it okay, Ma?
Mommy,
Which is why you will always be one of the most important people in my life, right? Really?
hey,
Why, Mommy? I am important for you.
because you always make me some happy meals food.
MashaAllah. Oh, you are a good reason, Ma. Okay.
And you did a perfect job this financial.
Happy birthday with love always. Give a hug, Mama.
Mommy, not only one. That's
আচ্ছা পাপাটা দিচ্ছে না পাপা ওকে এটা তো পাপার মা হ্যাঁ ওকে
এটা হচ্ছে আমার পক্ষ থেকে।
ওয়াও he's such a pretty আল্লাহ এখানে অনেক সুন্দর সুন্দর কার্ড পাওয়া যায় না হ্যাপি বার্থডে মাই ওয়াইফ মাই লাভ ইউ আর দ্য ফ্রেন্ড who keeps me smiling really and understands me even when I can't find the words blessings acha you are the partner I appreciate for all the always you make life beautiful next ta tumi poro note ta
You are the women I love with all my heart for making me such a lucky guy.
thank you so